back to another video, and if you're new here, I welcome you with lots of love. And in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the James Charles palette. I had a beautiful follower, Adra François, for asking me to review the James Charles palette. And like, what can we do with this palette? And I decided, okay girl, I'll do one for you. I'll do a review on my channel to let you guys know what you can do with the James Charles palette, what you can create, and why to have this palette. If you guys like what you see, then keep on watching. And you can do so much with this palette. Like, you got your shimmers, you got your metallics, and you got a lot. And when I say a lot, you got a lot of matte shades in here. You got this side where it has more of your soft glass, like your day makeup. And this side over here will be more for like your fall, your evening looks. And then these bigger pans at the bottom, I will honestly say you can use this for contour. You can also use it for eyeshadow. You have a shimmer shade right here that I would use for a day glam or like a brow highlight or just even a highlighter. So I really love the big pan because the big pan is so convenient, especially if you're a person that loves to contour, bronze and things like that. You can literally use this to bronze, use it as a blush. This palette is literally multi-purpose. These brighter colors, I'll usually use it for like spring, summer. You can also do fall because you have your green. Obviously green is your first time ever doing makeup, or it's your first time purchasing makeup on your own, and you really just want to just buy a palette. You're like, damn, like I need a palette. But you see so many different brands, so many different shades. You guys go and grab this one because you can do so much with this palette. It's a huge palette. I believe it has like 39 shades. Everyone friendly, basically. Like, if you do makeup and you have clients and stuff, you can grab this palette. If you're new to makeup and you don't really buy makeup like that, you just want one thing, you can buy this palette. This palette is so pigmented. Like, this is all simple looks, you guys, because you guys know this summer I just been feeling like just simple and go. So right now, I'm going to go in with some brow highlight, and I'm actually going to grab this color right here. Okay, it's like a nice champagne gold color. You guys, today I really don't know what I'm creating with this palette, but let's see if I can do a yellow. I use this for my transition. And then I'll kind of deepen it out with this color right here. That shade is already giving me a nice blown out look, which I really love. The pigmentation of this James Charles palette is just so gorgeous. In with this yellow, and I'm putting this yellow all over the lids. Hopefully you guys see the pigmentation. I never did a full yellow lid before, so let's see how this one goes, because your girl never did a whole bumblebee type of eyelid. Okay, we'll start from, ooh, that's pretty. I hope you guys can see that. Ooh, that looks good. Do you guys also see that pigmentation, how it's so bold and beautiful? And that is literally using just the James Charles palette. I'm gonna smoke out that brown just a little bit right here, just to basically like blend it out together. It's so fun just playing with eyeshadows. You never know what you can achieve or what look you'll come out with. Like, sometimes you just come out with a random look that you just wasn't expecting. Like, oh, the love of makeup. Like, if you have mad love for makeup, like, you understand what I'm talking about. Like, you literally understand. Like, makeup is a love. So I'm gonna come back with my face basically halfway done, and then we'll continue using this palette. I know this is just for the James Charles review, but you guys, this foundation is still A1. Like, it's still A1. I like this concealer color though, it don't break. Oh my gosh, my face is big. Like, my face is big. Okay. I'm not being like really quiet in this tutorial. Well, in this little mini review I'm doing, but you know, your girl just can't stop talking. Like, I just can't. I'm trying to like keep this as only the review products of the James Charles palette, but your girl cannot stop talking. Like, do you guys see my makeup right now? I'm still using that drugstore foundation though. If you go and purchase this foundation because of me, please comment down below. Let me know, or take a picture of it on Instagram or something like that, and just tag me. Be like, oh, Amalovelyy made me get this. Like, just let me know. Parents, they done blessed me, alright? They done blessed me. Bless me, Baba, bless me. Bless me, Baba, bless me. I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here. And I'm going to be using that bronzer and a contour and a blush. Yes, I said it. A contour mixed with a blush and my bronzer. Yeah. Blush. I'm gonna dab that out. I'm just gonna use it as like a blush type of bronzer type of thing. Literally just like warms everything and makes your face a little bit more slimmer. But that's why you guys see what I'm talking about. Like, look at the difference. I'm gonna use that same color to contour my nose with. Do you guys see that harsh? Let me show you guys. Let me just create something right there so you guys can see. Do you guys see that line right there and the nose line right there? Look how pigmented that shade is. Like, it's just a perfect palette for everything. Like, you can literally do everything with this palette. So now I'm just gonna blend out this strong contour that I added. And now you guys, I'm gonna go back in with this palette and again use this one for my highlight. I don't know, I always highlight the nose. I feel like I don't want no highlighter all over the face, so I'm just gonna do a bit of my nose. Just like so. That's it for this whole look. This is the whole look being completed using the James Charles palette. I hope that was really quick and easy for you guys to understand that you can do everything with this palette. You can do your day and evening looks with this palette. You can do a lot with this palette. Your day and evening looks, your spring, your summer, your fall, your winter, your contours, your blush, your highlight. Like, you can do so much with this palette. If you're new to makeup, or if you're MUA, at home at MUA, whatever you do and you don't have this palette in your kit or at your house, I would advise you guys to go and get one. They also have a mini one, I know. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, let me know down below how you guys like this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. I love you all. Mwah. So you guys, I'm going to be adding the swatches. I know it's like the end of the video or past the end of the video. This is just a little snippet of the swatches. I just wanted you guys to see how each color looks on my skin tone and how it will perform on yours. If you're close to my skin tone, then you'll definitely see how these pigments will look on you. So let's get into these swatches. We're going to be swatching row 1 and row 2. So now I'm going to swatch row 3. So this is how row 3 looks like. The big pan. Okay guys, so that's row 3. Now on to the next. Now that I'm swatching these, you guys, I did not know these colors were that gorgeous. Like, I'm missing out on a bunch. Now that I'm finally like swatching, I'm just like, damn, I can put so many colors. I can create so many looks that I didn't even know I can create. That is crazy. So now we are going to be swatching row 4 and row 5.